Hello guys, Daily Math here with a problem. It's a polynomial equation. We have 3 to the power of square root 12x plus 3 over 4, and that equals 3 to the power of square root 3 times x. You might want to give it a try before watching the solution, as you wish. So we want to find x. What could it be? How can we find it? So looking at the equation, we have two unknown terms, this one and this, and they're kind of similar. So we are going to change the variables here. I'll take the right side, 3 to the power of square root 3 times x, and I'm going to call it a, or anything else you want. And we want to express the other one with a as well. So 3 to the power square root 12 times x, we can write it like this, 4 times 3x, and bring the 4 out of the radical. You're left with this. And we can arrange it like this, 3 to the power of 3x, and that's to the power of 2. So this is actually a squared. Now we can rewrite the equation with a this time. So we have a squared plus 3 over 4, and on the other side we have a. Now let's cross multiply. We have 4 times a, and we bring it to the other side. So it becomes a squared minus 4 times a plus 3 equals 0. Now we have ourselves a nice quadratic equation. Now we can solve it in the classic way, negative b plus minus square root blah blah. Or we can write it like this, the product of two expressions. Now we want to find two numbers with the sum negative 4 and the product positive 3. So it is negative 1 and negative 3. Right? Negative 1 minus negative 3 is negative 4, and negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. So we've got it. Putting them in this equation, negative 1 and negative 3. Now we have two answers. A minus 1 equals 0, or a minus 3 equals 0. For the first one, a is equal to 1, and what was a? 3 to the power of square root 3 times x. That's equal to 1, and we can write 1 as 3 to the power of 0. So now equal bases means the powers are equal as well. That's equal to 0. And that means x equals 0. Now for the second case, a is 3, and a is 3 to the power of 3 times x, and we can write 3 as 3 to the power of 1. So this square root equals 1. That means 3 times x equals 1 squared, that is 1, and x finally is 1/3. That's the second answer for this equation. You can put these two answers in the original equation and check if it fits. I promise it will. But for now, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until the next video, take care.